Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I have like 1,000 updates on the E36 because I haven't been filming much lately and I've been doing a lot of work on it. So I think first and foremost, new windshield's on, no more cracks there, looks a ton better, and obviously I'm not going to get pulled over for having a cracked windshield, which is sick. But you guys can see or not, finally painted the floor pan, only on the driver's side front, because that's just obviously where I'm sitting all the time and I was sick of looking at it. I think we're gonna go meet up with Will later, take some pictures of the cars. Close the store here for a sec. Another update, new wheels. They're 135i stocks off a 09 135i, or 128i, sorry. Honestly, they really don't look bad. Obviously the fitment is absolute garbage, but it's a drift car, so it doesn't need to look good, just needs to work good. Trailing arm bushings are in. Car is not aligned, but like kind of just ghetto aligned. Drives actually like really good. Steering wheel is slightly off to the right. It doesn't pull or anything. I can drive dead straight, let go of the wheel. Nut and bolt checked everything yesterday. It's been like a week since I put it all back together, so I figured it'd be good. A couple things were loose, so I tightened those up. In the trunk, got this sick hardwood floor. Threw a spare piece of wood just so we can have something to put the toolbox on. And yeah, so finally drives good again. We're gonna let this dry a little more, throw that seat back in, and start putting it back together so we can go hang out and cruise around. Paint's still really soft. I think I'm just gonna say screw it, throw it back together. I don't really have time to deal with it today. I do plan on like taking this all back apart, sanding it back down, and properly seam sealing and bedlining it. Alright, that looks good enough. Last few clips you can see we got the whole driver's side back together. Seats in, I just gotta tighten everything down on camera. It's kind of hard when I'm like dealing with a tripod and all that. Gonna finish it off. Gonna throw the other side seat in. I'm not gonna show you that because it's kind of boring. So just for reference, someday this is what I hope the whole interior looks like. No, it's not gonna happen with rattle can, but if anyone knows how to do paintwork, let me know. Need to take this off too. The sticker's stupid. I've literally just been dealing with so many other problems with this car that I haven't even had the time to do stuff like peel stickers off and do little improvements. So yeah, that's probably next on my list. Also just wanted to show what it looks like. I'll put it back together. Obviously isn't perfect, but yeah. I mean, that line is probably the worst taping I've ever done. It's alright. Looks better than overspray. We're on top of the garage right now, and we kind of just been cruising around. We got food and shit. I was taking some pictures. Not really anything worth vlogging, just kind of like hanging out and enjoying some nice weather. But yeah, wicked short video today. I might pick it up tomorrow or maybe like 3 months from now. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.